In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PPT to PDF on Adobe Acrobat. If you have a PowerPoint presentation that you want to turn into a PDF for easier sharing, printing, or viewing across different devices, Adobe Acrobat makes the process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the conversion so you can follow along smoothly. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat Home in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll be working from the home screen, where your recent and uploaded files are usually displayed. Next, look toward the bottom right area of the screen for the Your Files section. In that area, click Upload Files. This is the option that lets you bring a file from your computer or device into Adobe Acrobat so you can work with it online. After that, a file browser window will appear. From here, locate the PowerPoint file you want to convert. Make sure you select the correct PPTX file from your device, then confirm your selection. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take a few moments to upload, so give it a little time if needed. Once the file opens in Adobe Acrobat, go to the top bar and click Convert. This takes you to the conversion tools available for the file you just uploaded. If you don't see the full menu right away, just pause briefly while the interface finishes loading. Then in the left-hand column, find the section labeled Convert to PDF and click Convert. This is the step that starts the actual transformation of your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF document. Adobe Acrobat will process the slides and preserve the overall structure of the presentation as a PDF. After the conversion is complete, the newly created PDF will open automatically. At this point, you should be able to view the PDF version of your presentation directly in Acrobat. In many cases, the file will also be editable, which can be useful if you want to make quick changes after converting. As a helpful tip, once the PDF opens, take a moment to review the pages to make sure everything transferred correctly, especially slide formatting, images, and spacing. That way you can confirm the final document looks the way you expect before sharing or downloading it. And that's it. That's how to convert a PPT to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat quickly and easily.